Welcome to another week's vlog. Look how dark it is. It is like 12:30 in the afternoon and it is so dreary, so I'm gonna turn on a little light. Woo! All the kitties are cuddled up. It's dreary, rainy, and chilly. Yeah, the Bean, the Tina, Bobina. We got Sniffles. Her badass Christmas blanket. Hey. Mr. Minners is cuddled up with the fall hedgehogs. And little baby Sally is the only one running around. Hi. Hi. You want to come here? Oh, come here. And Sally is just running around being silly. She's the only one with energy right now. Look at what, I don't know what I did last night. I guess I didn't remove my liner and stuff properly. So yeah. I am tempted to start Christmas decorating early. I usually try to wait until the day after Thanksgiving, but I don't think we're doing anything for Thanksgiving at my house. So I feel like maybe it's a good time to just go ahead and Christmas decorate. But you know, I have 2 trees. So now I've got to decide where I want to put the other one. So we had it like right over there. Basically like where the plug-in and near the bookcase and all that, so I've got to figure that out. So I'm kind of torn because I do like hey baby, I do like decorating for Thanksgiving too. I've got like turkey stuff, but I don't know, I still need to get a dining room table. We don't like entertain a lot or anything like that, but I need to get a dining room table, and I thought, I don't know, I could decorate for Thanksgiving on the table and then Christmas everywhere else. I don't know. That's silly, but yeah, just hanging out. I am about to, I think I'm going to get ready, put on something just comfortable because it is so rainy and dreary outside. And I want to go to Walgreens. There's one close by that has the Wet n Wild brush set on sale for $15. And I want to put that in a video, a like gift guide. If you guys are interested in gift guide, let me know down below. Do you want for her, for him, one of each, multiples? I thought about putting it just kind of like together, or I could do like a beauty gift guide and other stuff or whatever. So yeah, she's being so sweet. This is weird. She's a little hellion. Hi guys, it is now, what day is it? Ooh, the mascara worked a lot. I'm just not realizing how good this mascara looks. I put on Monsieur Big from Lancome at work. As you can tell, I don't have much makeup on. I basically threw on like a little cushion compact at work, did a little brow with Anastasia, and then I put on Monsieur Big, but look at that. Like, that's some pretty good, like curl. It's like lifted my lashes really well. I have trouble with my lashes staying like up, and I didn't even curl them, so okay. But I am home. It is what day is it? It's Thursday. I worked really early this morning and it's about 6 o'clock now. I went into work around 8 and I'm just now getting home, and I thought I would show you guys a couple of things that are going on, and yeah, just kind of check in and continue the vlog. I forgot to show you guys some organizers that I got from work. So there's a lot of like acrylic display that they continue to send like multiples every time sometimes, or like we just get overloaded with it, and they were needing to clear out some space. So this one's like a real display, but I thought about cleaning it up and putting like a big palette, and I could like change it a lot and put it in the background and like always have a different palette on it. But I thought like the Natural Love from Too Faced would look really cute sitting out like that. I don't know if I'll do anything with it, but that's what I was thinking when I grabbed it. And then these organizers are honestly in pretty good condition. They just need a little wipe down with some Windex. So I got 2 this size, and then this one I'm really excited about, and we can't use these a lot because a lot of times they're just too big, but for me it's going to be great. So this has a ton of slots in it. So again, multiple palettes could probably fit in each slot, but I can't wait to find a place for this. I feel like my vanity room still needs like a little something. I can't put my finger on it, but it's like those big organizing bins that I got. I want to put them on something else. Like, I don't know, I wanted the dresser to be more cute, and those are more like, I want to call it utilitarian. That's not it at all. My God, it's been a long day. They're more, You know the word I'm thinking about when it's like for a purpose? Oh my God. Somebody's gotta be looking at this like screaming the word because it should be obvious. I don't know. I can't think of the word. I'm literally sitting here like racking my brain. But anyway, they're not like cute. They're just more for storage. They're purposeful. And I'm going to think of the word later. But anyway, so I don't know. I want to put those on something else maybe. But they're just like kind of big. They're great for the storage purpose, but not so much as like a cute piece. Or maybe I just want to like move the dresser over and put more like art on the wall or some kind of like little bitty shelves or something. That could be cute. I actually have some white shelves that you basically just like hang on the wall, but we do rent here, so I'm trying not to like ruin the walls, but because for the shelves, for them to be like load bearing enough for you to put a little bit on it, you know, you have to use like multiple nails and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm trying not to like do too much, although I have hung some stuff, so whatevs. If I don't get the security deposit back, it's not going to be the end of the world. We just kind of write that off at the beginning just in case, especially with Sally and her little claws, because she's still very peppy and clawy. So yeah, I got those. What else? I forgot to show you guys when I got those backgrounds from Michael's to use in my pictures. I got one more thing. It's just this plate. It says fa la 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 llama. Fa la 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 llama. Yeah. I just love it. It's so cute. It was $3 and it was on sale, like 30% off or something. And then when I was checking out, I saw this bag, which I love these to like go shopping with. And it says Happy Llama Days. My favorite part are the little llamas on the side. So it has a little scarf. But then this guy, this brown llama is my favorite. Look at him and his boots and this hat. I just love it. Yeah, and there's another brown llama right there. So yeah, just I think that was like less than $1. Oh wait, that was $3 too. But again, I think that was on sale as well. So yeah, I don't care. I love these bags. They're really versatile, so you cannot use so many plastics. And beans in a box. Got a bean in a box, a bean in a box. Hi, what are you doing? Sally? Okay, how about you, Sally? Not doing it, huh? And then I also got my Pusheen box, but I already took a peek in. As you can see, it's open, and now I can't get the things back in there right, but I will film a video. I don't know. Let me know in this vlog. I may go ahead and film this one, but like a Pusheen box, is that something you want to see in a separate video? Or like, is that just like throw it in a vlog because we don't care that much? I don't know. So I also ordered tuna for the cats, excuse me. When I ordered from Hotlook, I ordered my Beauty and the Beast backpack thing. I also ordered these two things. So this one is an acrylic organizer that basically shields whatever you put in it from getting like dusty. So this would be great for like perfume bottles or like something, I don't know, fancier. Or you could stack brushes in here too, which I thought was cool. And you can actually open this up and leave it open. So I could put like cups of brushes. That way they're not getting all dusty and like, you know, have cats. So obviously there's going to be cat hair. You can't avoid it. So I don't know. I thought that would be neat for that. So I will find a purpose for this. I just thought it was cool. Something different. And then I got these pajamas. Because you guys know I'm pajama obsessed. So these are Betsy Johnson. These are pants. They're long pants with bunnies on them. So this shirt that goes with the pants was really adorable. So this is actually the back. The front's just plain, but in the back it's got like this little detail where it's gathered and then it just kind of flows down in the back. It's really cute. I might have to try to show you guys that on because it's so adorable. And then I actually got the robe that went with it. So it's like a knee-length robe with that same print. And I just thought, how cute and cozy and pretty. Love the little bunnies. And I thought, would it be cute to do like a cruelty-free video wearing my bunny robe? I don't know. I thought that would be cute. And it would be comfortable. So there. So yeah, I got those from Hotlook. One last thing. I went yesterday to Walgreens. Like I said, I was going to go, and I went to a Walgreens that said they had 2 to 5 in stock, but they had none. But I asked my loving boyfriend, and he went to one that was close to his job, which he actually drives like 40 minutes to work, or 45 minutes to work. And he went to a Walgreens nearby, and they had them. So I actually got 2 sets, and these were on sale for $15. I thought that was such a good deal. So I will be doing a gift guide coming up soon, and I will have a giveaway in the gift guide. So it's not going to be incredibly massive, but it's going to be some really cute holiday stuff and some gift ideas. So definitely turn on notifications so that you know when that's coming up, because this will be in it, and I will include a few other things as well. And then of course I'm going to do a big giveaway when I hit 10,000, and I'm going to do one on here and on Instagram when I hit 2,000. So I just thought these were gorgeous, and I can't wait to share these with you guys in more detail. So I will have a gift guide type video coming up. I really like those, and it's a lot of stuff that I truly like and hope that you guys will like too. So that is it for now. I am waiting for Zach to get home. He should be shortly behind me. I'm going to get into something comfortable and get ready to just kind of chill out for the rest of the night. I do work the next 2 days. I go in a little bit early tomorrow, not super early, it's like 9, and then I work late on Saturday night, and then Sunday we're going to my parents. So I don't know how much super fun vlogging we're going to do, but I will definitely do something along the way and include it. So yeah, that's what's going on, and I will probably talk to you. Hey! Girls! Tina, that was really mean. She was like pummeling Sally in the face with her tiny paws of fury. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Christmas time. Look at the penguin one. I also really like the pink. It's cute. I'm just a sucker for like traditional ones though. I love red and green. Oh, but the bear is cute too. I want to be one of those people that like picks a theme and like has all these matching things. But really, I like it all. But I am getting this for tonight. Crackle Flame. I'm so excited. Hi guys! I am on my way to work. Oh, that kid is terrifying. So it is Saturday now. I'm running a little bit late leaving the house, but it's about 1:30, not quite. And I'm on my way to work. I do work late tonight, 2 to 10. So I don't know. I just got ready. Took a little bit too much time on my makeup, and I am so stupid. I left I got up at like 9 thinking, okay, I've got plenty of time. I can slowly get ready, shave my legs, do the whole 9, makeup, and film a video. And then I got up a little late. I finished watching a movie that I started last night, and then I took way too long showering. So I don't know, just everything kind of compiled to make it so that I didn't have time to film. So yeah, I do have a couple videos that I can edit, but I close tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to see my parents, so I don't know when I'm going to fit that in. I don't know, I've got to find some balance. I wish I could really dedicate, you're going to go that slow? I wish I could dedicate more time to making videos, because I'm usually not, thank you for creeping, I'm usually not like ecstatic about my videos. Like I feel like if I had a lot more time for filming and editing, then they would be better. So I don't know, that's how I feel about it. And at any rate, I need to pay my bills, so I have a job. So there you go. I really like my makeup today, and I know like I'm driving with the sun behind me, so it's probably not gonna look very good, but I really liked what I came out with. I've got on Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. I've got on the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. I I use the gingerbread palette on my eyes. The white shimmery though and towards my inner corner is a makeup ink pigment called Light Year. I hope they still have that. It's a beautiful one. And then I used, what did I use? I used Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara, Anastasia Dip Brow on my brows, strictly that. And I've got 2 Dose of Color lips on. I can't remember what colors, but I kind of mixed them because one was a little light and lavender and the other one was a little warmer, so they kind of created like this rosy pink. Yeah, Kat Von D liner, tattoo liner. And my highlight is Conceited from Artist Couture. Really pretty. And I use my Lunatics Cosmetics contour palette for all my contouring. So yeah, that's like a lineup of what I use. I also use Too Faced Hangover Primer before Studio Skin and a little bit of that Tarte Timeless Primer in my pore areas. Yeah, so that's a long story, but that's what I used. And yeah, I'm literally just gonna be working tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna go hang out with my family, and I think my mom is making collard greens, which I really like, and some cornbread with like cheese and jalapenos in it. It's really good, and corn. I don't know what else. And then I've got family in town. I've got 2 of my mom's siblings are in town. And yeah, so I'll see my aunt and uncle and all that. So we'll see. And that's about it. I'm gonna head to work now. There's not much going on. So I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it is now Monday night and I am home from work. I've got little Sally. Take a look. Oh, she's in there pizza by the fire. She knows how to do it. Hey, don't you want to say hi? Okay. So I'm about to get this vlog ready to go up, but I wanted to say quickly thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to relax for a little bit and I work later in the evening tomorrow again. She's trying to get me. Ow, ow. So yeah, I'm gonna have my glass of wine. It's kind of a big glass of wine. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. I'm so close to 10,000 and I've got about a month and a few days before my birthday, and I hope to get there. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and leave me a thumbs up if you enjoy, and I will talk to you guys later.